Hey guys, let me catch my breath again like the last video. Okay, I pop again. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna burp again. In the woods. Because who doesn't love the woods? What's up, guys? Spot in the woods where I've been coming for years. And there's a tree here and it's just slanted perfectly. Peeing out of Coca-Cola. I only have like 2 sips. Don't litter. Second, guys. Son of a banshee. Oh, it hurts. That last half a second at the end there was just me sort of groaning, not burp. I don't fake. I tried building a teepee and then I'm working on a hut. Yuck. Why are you guys watching a kid burping on the internet? Weirdos. Once I said the alphabet twice in one burp. I don't think it's a P. S. X, Y, and Z. Let's just call that whole alphabet. It makes me look fat when I suck in too much air. My God. Well, I'm just gonna head out of the woods right now, and you guys are just gonna see a few lost burps. There's a really cool bike trail in here. So I hate the person who put this here though, because you can't really jump that anymore. Well, I guess you can jump it, and it's safer if you fail. Okay, I shouldn't burp while changing altitude, like going down a hill, because God knows what's going to go on in my stomach. See you guys whenever.